Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, January 20, 2023 on our channel. Johnson Controls-Hitachi Air Conditioning launches Air 365 Max cost-efficient HVAC solution for professionals. UK independent review of net zero unveiled. EuroShop Start-up Hub, companies present their innovations. Swegon moves into new local flagship factory in the UK. NASRC's new report proposes solutions to critical shortage of refrigeration technicians. AHRI Presence Awards, names 2023 leadership. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Johnson Controls-Hitachi Air Conditioning launches Air 365 Max cost-efficient HVAC solution for professionals. Johnson Controls-Hitachi Air Conditioning announces the release of the Air 365 Max designed with seamless comfort, energy efficiency, and easily workable features. The Air 365 Max is an end-to-end solution for HVAC professionals, architects, and building owners, and some models will be available in Southeast Asia, Latin America and Middle East in January, and later becoming available in Australia/New Zealand, Europe, North America and other countries/regions. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. UK independent review of net zero unveiled. The recently released Mission Zero review highlights net zero opportunities and sets out over 120 recommendations for the UK government to consider. These aim to ensure that various sectors, including the HVAC industry, can achieve the country's low carbon ambitions. The review is available here. Please share the news. 31. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. EuroShop Start-up Hub, companies present their innovations. Also in this trade fair year, from 26 February to March 2, 2023, creative young companies will once again have the opportunity to both present their solutions for modern, future-proof retailing to decision-makers from the international retail industry and expand their contacts at EuroShop, the world's #1 retail trade fair. To this end, a dedicated presentation area, the so-called Startup Hub, will again be set up and located in the Dimension Retail Technology. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Swegon moves into new local flagship factory in the UK. The new 6,400 square meters production facility will manufacture products specifically adapted to the local needs of the UK market and will be complemented by an adjacent customer experience center. The Vantage Point site started production in December 2022, with the migration of manufacturing from Waterloo's traditional facility in nearby Aylesford. The Waterloo employees have moved to the new site, which is in the process of scaling up to full capacity and will eventually house up to 160 people. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. NASRC's new report proposes solutions to critical shortage of refrigeration technicians. The North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, an environmental nonprofit working to advance climate-friendly natural refrigerants in supermarkets, announced the publication of a report summarizing the commercial refrigeration industry's increasingly critical technician shortage. The report proposes data-driven solutions to improve technician recruitment, training, and retention to grow the workforce. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. AHRI Presence Awards, names 2023 leadership. At its 2022 Leadership Forum in San Antonio, Texas, the Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Institute, AHRI, recognized several HVACR industry leaders for their contributions to the HVACR and water heating industry. Awards were given in 3 categories: the Richard C. Schultz Award, which recognizes the industry-wide achievements of individuals also pursuing AHRI goals, the AHRI Public Service Award, for deserving individuals or organizations making a significant contribution to the HVACR industry and in furthering AHRI goals, and the AHRI Distinguished Service Award, the association's highest honor, recognizing industry leaders who have made considerable industry contributions throughout their careers. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.